Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shining logo effect in CapCut. This effect gives your logo a bright, eye-catching animation that looks great in videos. To start, add your logo to the timeline by dragging it in. Now, let's look for a white rectangular element from the stock materials. And then drag it above your logo layer. With the white element selected, go to Mask and choose the mirror option. Adjust the mask line to be very thin, then add some feathering to soften the edges for a smooth effect. Once you've got the mask looking right, rotate the mask line and place it at the top left corner of your logo. Add a mask keyframe at the start of the clip by moving the playhead at the start of the clip and then clicking the diamond button to the right of mask. Then, move the playhead to the end of the clip and drag the mask line down to the bottom right corner of the logo. This will create a shining effect that moves across your logo. If you want the shining effect to be slower or faster, move the second keyframe in the logo layer closer or further from the first keyframe. And that's it. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.